Hi guys, so today let us set Canon 700D. So first I will show you how to attach your lens. Now gently twist to remove body cap from the camera, then twist to remove lens cap also from the lens. Now align the red or white markings on lens and body, then you twist lens in clockwise direction until you hear a click. Now for the battery part, how to insert your battery. First you remove a protective cap from your battery if it has one actually. Now you are going to open your battery slot, and then the battery compartment is located at the base of your camera. Alight contact points and insert. So the battery is correctly inserted once you feel it snap into place. So yeah, that is how to insert your battery. Now let us go to the memory card slot. So for the SD card slot, it is located on the right side of your camera. So yeah, this is the memory card slot. So for the memory card slot, or SD card slot actually, you just gently open it. That is the hole where you are going to insert your memory card. So sorry, I forgot to show you guys how the memory card looks like, so I'm just going to show you. This is what it looks like actually. So this is the front and this is the back. So this is how you're going to gently insert it into your camera. You press it down. Once it clicks, you just close your memory card slot. So now let us move to the LCD screen. The one up there that is small, that's your viewfinder. Now this one I'm holding is your LCD screen. Now gently pull to swivel the LCD screen. Now for the power switch, flip switch on to turn on the camera or to record a video. So now it has been switched on, and now you can now change your what's it called, AF mode, which is autofocus mode, to MF mode. The MF mode is your manual focus. That option lets you adjust the focus manually by yourself instead of the camera. Now the shutter release is located at the front of your camera. You can press halfway to focus when lens is in autofocus mode, and also you can press fully to shoot. So next time we'll do a full setup. This is what the camera actually look like. So yeah, I decided to show you guys a separate video of just the camera too, so that you would know how the camera look like. So yeah, this is my first time setting up a camera. Yeah, so this is the video of my first time setting up a camera actually, and I know most of you won't believe that, but this is it. So next time when I'm fully good, we'll do a proper setup, a full setup, where we are going to show you how to twist the zoom ring to zoom in or out, how to twist the focus ring to focus manually, and all of that. We'll talk about the flash button, and so many other things, the cross keys, the play button, the erase button. Anyways, that will be next time when we are doing a full and a proper setup. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.